Okay, so this is the last time you'll see the truck with these small tires on there. These are, once again, 265 70R 17s. So I'm actually having some 35, 12 and a half 17s put on there. You can see the size comparison next to the bicycle. But this is going to be pretty much all jacked up when it's done. See, I put the little wheel spacers on it, so you actually have stick out a couple of inches with the wheel spacers. But once again, these are stock tires that are on here right now, and they do stick out a couple of inches. So yeah, it's going to look a lot different once the 35's are on it. Back shot again. Now they stick out. Alright, next shot will be with the 35's on it. Alright, here it is with the 35's on it. Trail Country Dick Cepek. This baby looks a lot better. Still stick out. What a difference. Definitely gives it the stance I was looking for without sending the truck way up to the moon. Very happy. Tires look great. Underneath. Cool. There you have it. 35's. Okay guys, so in the cab, just taking off with the new tires, and I'm on a stretch of road. I'm doing currently about 50 miles an hour, give or take. These tires are quiet, real quiet, and I read some in one of the reviews that somebody mentioned that these are quiet tires, and I can't believe, because I'm used to smaller trucks, putting large tires on them. They seem always to be noisy or whatever, but the way they got these designed, really nice. Steering's fine so far. Once again, this is the 2019 Ram SLT 6-cylinder 4x4, and it's currently got 45,629 miles on it. So I picked it up around 29,000, bought it secondhand from a dealership, and it had the 265 70R 17s on there. So those had to go. I put the leveling kit on, the 2.5-inch front leveling kit, and it has the 2-inch wheel spacers that kick the tires out a couple of inches. And I haven't had any rubbing. I've turned some corners. I haven't had any rubbing so far, and just smooth. They aligned it. The place that installed the tires to the front of the alignment. It's nice and straight, and I couldn't be more happier. The appearance on it, as you've seen in the first video, looks good. I mean, I'm definitely happy with the appearance on it. So yeah, in a nutshell, 35's with a 2.5-inch leveling kit and 2-inch wheel spacers. Have no issues going on a V6 2018 Dodge Ram SLT 4x4. So in case you're wondering, that's what I got on here, and they are working beautiful. All right, thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.